Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is digestion. So what does this digestion actually mean? The digestion is the conversion of complex food material into the simpler absorbable form so that our body can utilize it. So this digestion begins in our buccal cavity. Our body have alimentary canal. Alimentary canal is a canal which opens from mouth and end to anus. Mouth, opening point is mouth and ending point is anus. Alimentary canal have various compartments. First compartment is the buccal cavity. Second one is the esophagus. Third one is the stomach. And fourth one is intestine. Intestine, both small intestine and large intestine are part of the alimentary canal. So this alimentary canal is a canal or a cavity where the digestion takes place. The opening of buccal cavity is mouth. For example, this is nose, these are lips, and this is our buccal cavity. This is buccal cavity. These are the opening. This is buccal cavity, and the part above buccal cavity is nasal chamber. This is nasal chamber. And this is buccal cavity. So this buccal cavity is divided into two major compartment. First one is the vestibule, and second one is the center of buccal cavity or central buccal cavity. Vestibule is the space between cheeks and gums, or space between teeth and lips. So it is the space where the food is stored for some time, or we can say for temporary storage of food. This is an space where the food is stored, and the central buccal cavity is the actual cavity where the crushing or grinding of food take place. Our buccal cavity have a muscular organ which is known as tongue. So another part which is found in buccal cavity is tongue. Tongue perform various function. First, it helps in cleaning of teeth. It have taste receptor. Which are known as gustatory receptor. Tongue also helps in articulation of speech. And it helps in mastication of food. It is a voluntary muscular organ. Means if we want to move our teeth, we can move it in any way. So these are the function of tongue. Articulation of a speech means you have seen various people who do not have tongue, or so for them it is difficult to speak. So articulation of speech is done by tongue. Mastication of food means mixing of the saliva which is present in buccal cavity with the food is also performed by tongue. On the surface of tongue there are various taste receptor or gustatory receptor which become activated when our body see or it to get any signals that there is food around or in front of the eyes. It also helps in cleaning of teeth. So this is our tongue. It have various gustatory receptor present over it. This is the posterior portion of the tongue. There are various taste receptor. So taste receptor. First taste receptor is the fungiform receptor. Fungiform receptor, as the name suggests, that they are in the form of fungus or mushroom. So their shape is like that of mushroom. Those taste receptor are known as fungiform receptor. They are present all over the tongue, but they are mostly collected or accumulated in the anterior part of the tongue. These are the fungiform. They are pink in color, or